Is WhatsApp not working on your computer? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix WhatsApp not working on your PC. So, let's dive right into the solutions without wasting any time. Before anything, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Also, try using a VPN and see if that helps. Solution 1. End WhatsApp tasks. To do this, right-click on the taskbar here and select Task Manager. Now, in the search bar, type in WhatsApp. Then right-click on WhatsApp and select End Task. Now see if WhatsApp launches or not. Solution 2. Repair and reset WhatsApp. To do this, first open Settings. Then click on Apps from the left side menu. After that, click on Installed Apps. Now find WhatsApp and click the three-dot icon next to it. Next, click on Advanced Options. Now, scroll down a little and click the Repair button. Once that's done, click the Reset button. Then click on Reset from here. After that, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Reinstall WhatsApp. For this one, click on the search icon and type in WS Reset. Then click on WS Reset from the search result. Once Microsoft Store opens up, restart your computer. After your PC turns on, right-click on the Windows icon from here and select Installed Apps. Now find WhatsApp and click on the three-dot icon next to it. Then click on Uninstall. And after that, click on Uninstall again. Once uninstalled, open Microsoft Store and search for WhatsApp. And then install it. Once installed, the issue should be gone. So guys, that's how you fix WhatsApp not working on your PC. If the video helped you solve the issue, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.